steep section going up through the thick rainforests. You can see the steam coming off the train at the front. It's on the Western Wilderness Railway, so got a cup of tea. And yeah, these thick rainforests, the oldest rainforest on Earth, 135 million years old, I reckon. And some of these trees not seen anywhere else either. It's thick. Literally they've carved a railway line through the mountains in the middle of a rainforest. Like, it must have taken a lot of work. Many tourists. Getting steeper. Western Wilderness of Tasmania. I wonder if there's any Tasmanian tigers about. The sun's out. Warm day.